morning, children. So today we will begin the chapter The Bell of Atri. Okay. So this is a literature. This is for class 4 and the name of the chapter is The Bell of Atri. So let's begin with the chapter. So this story is about justice. Okay, everybody should get justice in their life. Plus we have to be kind with everyone. So the main two motives of this story is that only, that we have to give justice to everyone, plus we have to be kind to every organism in this world. Okay, so let's begin the story. So this story is based on the place of Atri, which is in Italy, and the whole story revolves around a bell. Okay, so long ago in Italy, there ruled a king named John, and King John was known for his goodness and wisdom. What does wisdom means? It is a state of knowing and understanding a lot about more things. One day, the king and his minister came to the small town called Atri. When King John reached the town square, he announced, "By my royal order, a great bell shall hang here. Whenever something wrong is done to a person, he or she shall ring the bell, and the town judge shall correct whatever wrong has been done." So here the king is ordering that the bell should be hung in the middle of the town, and if anything wrong is done to any of the person, then the person has the right to ring the bell and seek for justice. Okay, let's come to the next page. So as the instruction was given by the king, a big bell was hung in the town square. Now if anything wrong happened or somebody did wrong to anybody, so definitely they used to come and ring the bell. For the first case was when somebody stole a farmer's sheep, so the farmer rang the bell. Okay, in the next case, when someone ate grandmother's special fruit pie without her permission, then she also went to seek justice and she also rang the bell. When a bully teased a child, the child rang the bell. Okay, in each and every cases in the town, judge came and corrected the person who had done wrong. Okay, so let's see the animation film of this video. So let's begin. There was a place known Atri, and it is a very small town and was built on the side of a hill. In the middle of the town there is an old tower, and in the tower there is an old bell. This bell has not been rung for many years, but it is still there in the tower. Many tourists visiting Italy go Atri to see the bell. Why do many tourists go to Atri to see the bell? It has a strange story to tell. Long ago, the bell of Atri was used for a very special purpose. People who wanted to complain rang the bell. The judges came to the marketplace when the bell rang. The judges were the old wise men of the town. They listened to the complaints and helped the people. Many people rang the bell and many wicked people were punished. But there was one trial that was very unusual. One day the rope with which the bell was tied broke. There wasn't a thick new rope in Atri. To get a rope from another town would take about 2 weeks. So the judges had a grape vine fixed to the bell. There was a rich merchant who had an old horse. The horse had served his master well for years. When the horse became old, the merchant drove him out. No one gave him food, no one took care of him, and the poor horse kept wandering from place to place. One day he came to the tower. Seeing the grapevine, he started to chew and pull at it. As he pulled the vine, the bell started to ring. The judges at once came to the marketplace. To their surprise, they saw a horse pulling the grapevine. One of the judges recognized the old horse. He told the other judges that the horse belonged to the rich merchant. I think the merchant drove out the horse as he has become old. Since this horse has come to make a complaint, we must find out the truth. We must find whether the merchant had ill-treated this animal. The merchant was called to the marketplace. During the trial, he confessed, I drove out my old horse. The judges decided he had done wrong. Take the horse home and take good care of him. Feed him well. They also fined the merchant. The horse returned to his old stable and the merchant took good care of him. So here we finished the